Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking hot dog skin in Fortnite, the Brat, and I will also be drawing the baby version as well. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking character, and to begin we're going to start out by drawing his hat first. So we're going to draw the bottom of the hat, so just one line across, and then we're going to go up from the sides, and then we'll round off the top. So just one big dome shape. Okay, and then once we have that, we're gonna draw the inside right here, the little strap. So just come up to the middle here. Just draw one line across first, and then one big dome shape inside. And then for the strap itself, take this line right here, extend it, and then come down. And then right here, there's a little tag or some kind of detail right here. So just come down straight and draw another line. And then for those little holes in here, I'm just gonna draw two. Okay, so that's the hat, and then let's get down to his face right here. So right on the side, just come down slightly and then draw one line across. So that's gonna be the top of the sunglasses, and then just keep going, extend it out, and then come back to the middle. Just draw a little square, and then on the side, just draw one line coming down, just as far down as the middle part. And then once you have those lines, bottom here, just curve it. It's one big bow shape. Okay, and then for his mouth, just right in the center here, really easy. Just one line across and then another U shape on the bottom. And then for his tongue inside, just one curve going the other way. Okay, so let's continue on with the head or whatever the hot dog shape. So we're going to continue with this line right here. We'll just stop there. And then we're going to taper it in, just slant in slightly. This is going to be the beginning of the bun. And then right after the slant, just go straight down. All the way down to, I guess, to his belt area, his waist. Alright, and then just close it off first. This is going to be the top of his belt. And then we'll come back up here to draw the other side of the bun here. So start up here, just curve out, because the bun wraps around the body right here. Okay, so we start up here, just come out, and then the side here, just go all the way down. And then we'll go past this line here, just curve it slightly. And then from this corner, just go back to this point here. Okay, so that's gonna be the bun, and then let's draw the belt. So just one line across, so this is really easy. And then the belt buckle here, just gonna draw two lines. Let's just add two loops. Okay, and then let's draw the details on the inside here. So he's got a hot dog as a necklace right here. So just come somewhere right here, you can make a little point. And then I'm going to draw one curve going up. And then just come back down, just round it out. Same thing here, curve up. Just come down, just round everything off. And then one more section here. Let's go right behind the bun. Okay, and then for the little mustard right here, we'll just draw one big curve like this first. And then continue on the bottom, just curve it back in. And we're gonna turn, just come out, just gonna go all the way down. Okay, so make sure you have it a little bit small on the bottom. Alright, and then I'm gonna continue this. Just follow that curve. And then close off the ends. Okay, so I know there's some more details, but we can add that in later. Let's go ahead and draw in his arms first. So right around here, where the necklace is, we're gonna come out. Let's draw like one little bump. It's gonna be his shoulders, and then for his bicep right here. So these are easy. Just round it off. Okay, so same thing here. Okay, so let's get back to this arm because this one's gonna be a little bit different. So for the lower arm here, so these are really easy, just one more section. And then this one's gonna be a smaller one here. Okay, so right around here to the belt. And then for his hand, here's his thumb, just curl, little hook like this. And then on the inside here, just one little slant coming down. Go back to the top here. This is gonna be the back of the palm. And then for his fingers, we just keep it really cartoony. So it's curved down, just round it out and go back up. And then one more on the inside here. Okay, so that's one arm. And then for this one, it's gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna draw him with that hand gesture that we see in the pictures in Fortnite. So let's come out here from this bicep, just come out. Let's draw like a little U shape. So that's gonna be the palm. So right here, I'm gonna draw one finger, curl in this way, just go back up. Okay, so that's one. And then on the back here, just continue up. Come back down, so that's two. And then there's gonna be one more in the middle here. Start here, curl, just curve and then come back, just connect that. So on this line here, just make sure you have it a little bit over this line so that it looks like this finger's in front of this one. Okay, and then one more finger right here. So I'm gonna start on the side, let's go up, and then just tuck it right behind this finger. Okay, and then lastly for the thumb here, I know this part could be a little bit tricky. So we're gonna start down here, just go up. It's gonna go behind this finger, just go up, round it out and just come back down. Okay, so yeah, it's a lot of little fingers to draw. Alright, and then to finish off the arm here, this one's easy. It's got a little, looks like a little watch here. Just gonna draw one little U shape like this around. And then for his lower arm, we'll just connect this. Start here, just round it out and go back to this. Okay, so let's see, let's try his legs, and his legs are a little bit skinnier. So we'll start in the middle. Draw one little line like this first. So we'll start on the side, right here on the tip. Just come down, go back to this line here. Just kind of give it a slight curve, just come down. So it's gonna be a little bit sharper here. And then we'll add one little bracket. This is gonna be kind of folds and also for his knee. Okay, so let's start here. Come down, taper in. One little bracket. Okay, and then for his lower leg, it's really skinny. So we'll flare this out just a little bit, and then we'll curve it all the way in, and then close it off. And then we'll add one line here. Looks like his pants kind of folded up. Right, and then for his foot, right here, we just come straight down. Come across here, this is the bottom of the shoes. And then we're gonna draw one big dome shape here. And then whatever space you have here, just draw one little line. Okay, so same thing on the other side. So we'll flare out. Just pinch it in. Close it off, and then same detail here. Side, come down, come across, and then one big dome shape here, and then just connect that. Okay, and then let's see, it's got some rips right here on its jean. So just come around the knee area, just draw one little kind of like a wobbly egg shape, and then one line in the center. So same thing here. One line, and then let's just add one more little rib right here. So one line across, bottom just round it out. Alright, so those are the legs, and then if you want to add in some details right here for the relish, just all along this line right here, just come out, just add in a bunch of these little angles. So same thing on this side, so just go all the way around. Alright, so this is such a cool character, you know we have to draw the baby version as well. So let's draw in the hat first. So it's kind of almost like the same as the other version. So just one line across first, and then we'll go up. So the hat is pretty much the same, and then we'll round off the top. Now come back to the middle here, just draw one line again, and then round off the top again. Alright, extend this line and come down, and two lines here for the details. Let's just add two circles again. Alright, and then for this hat, let's add a little bit more detail right here. So you can see part of the visor area. So we'll come across, and then we'll just curve it and tuck it right underneath, or right behind. Okay, so it's kind of like my avatar that I used to use for my YouTube channel. Okay, so now for the face itself, again, just draw one little line coming down, and then we'll close that off. This is going to be the top of it, the sunglasses. Extend the lines. Come to the center, just draw a little square. Come straight down. And then round off the bottom here. Alright, and then now I'm gonna give them a little pacifier here. So just come straight down right here. In the middle, just draw one circle first. And then right in the middle, you make two little dots. Just kind of draw a little bracket. And then come across, close that off. And then right here, kind of draw the same thing, just a little bracket, close it off. So this is a little handle right here. Alright, and then right on top, let's draw one line and then one bracket, going all the way down to this. Okay, so that's the pacifier. And then now let's continue on with the head right here. Continue with this line, just go straight down. And then right here, just kind of curve it in again. This is going to be the bun. And we'll go in a little bit more. Just come down. I'm going to start back up here. Curve. So this one's going to be a lot shorter. Come down again to this line. And then now just round it off with a big U shape or a bow shape. Okay, and then let's draw the bottom first. So right around here, you can make two little points. I'm just gonna come in. This is gonna be his diaper. And then right in the middle, just close it off. And then come back up here, about right in the middle of this line. Just gonna draw like a little zigzag. So this is the top of the diaper here, the little strap. One line across here. And just gonna add a couple of lines like this for the folds. Okay, so that's his diaper, and now for his arms. So just come out here, come across. It's one big bump again. And then for his arm, we're gonna simplify it. So start right here, just curve, come back up here, curve, and then just round off the bottom. So it's just one big link. Okay, here, curve, go up, curve all the way outside, and then round it off. Alright, and then for his hand, we'll simplify it as well. Start here, one little hook, that's gonna be a thumb, and then start back up here. Just come down, and then just round it off. Here, come down with a little hook, back of the fist, and then just round it out. Okay, and then for his legs, really easy. Start right here. Here's the middle. Just come over, come all the way down. So I'm gonna draw both sides. It's gonna be the inside of the legs. And then we'll draw his foot. Just come, here's the bottom. Just come over here. Let's draw one big curve going out. And then close off the bottom. And then for his toes right here, one big one, and then just two little lines here on the side. And let's just go ahead and finish it. So start here, just one big curve coming down. Alright, so same thing on the other side. So here's the bottom again, just come over here, curve, close it off, one big curve and then two smaller ones for the other toes. And then same thing here, start right on the bottom, just curve it down. Alright, so that is it for these hot dogs. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.